Hey everyone, here's me just talking about our genetics in the real world discussion topic. So this is a family, they're called the Roloffs, and they had a TV show when I was actually growing up in the late 90s, early 2000s. It was called Little People Big World. So in the popular TV show Little People Big World, Matt and Amy are a couple who both have achondroplasia. So this is Amy and this is Matt. They both have achondroplasia, which is a form of dwarfism. Achondroplasia is an autosomal dominant genetic disorder of the fourth chromosome, and it can be passed along by either gender, and only one parent needs to carry the gene for an offspring to potentially be affected. That means that heterozygous people have achondroplasia. If both parents pass this dominant mutation to the child, it is lethal and the child does not survive. So, homozygous dominant people do not survive. If both parents pass a recessive allele, the child will not have achondroplasia. Homozygous recessive people do not have achondroplasia. So here are the questions to answer. Keep in mind, Matt and Amy both have achondroplasia. Heterozygous people have achondroplasia. So you can use any letter you want, but you're going to answer these 6 questions. Number 1, what is Matt's genotype? Number 2, what is Amy's genotype? Keep in mind, this is Matt and this is Amy, and they both have achondroplasia. Then, number 3, make a Punnett square for Amy and Matt. You can do this on Google Docs by making a table and inserting the table, make it a 3x3 table, and work from there. Or you can draw it on paper and attach a picture of your work to the discussion. Then, number 4, answer what is the likelihood they will have a child who has achondroplasia. You can answer in a fraction or in a percent. Number 5, what is the likelihood that they will have a child who does not survive? Keep in mind that a child who does not survive is homozygous dominant. And then number 6, what is the likelihood that they will have a child who does not have achondroplasia? Keep in mind, homozygous recessive people do not have achondroplasia. Here's how to do it. You can either write it and turn it into me, or write it and take a picture and email a picture of your writing to me, or you can work on a Google Doc and share it with me, or you can complete it on Canvas and just attach a picture of your Punnett square to your discussion. And it can be whatever you like. If you need to review, there are some good genetics optional and supplemental learning opportunities. You can click there to get to those. Thanks for listening.